We'll be talking about multiplying and dividing mixed numbers. The problem reads 1 2/3 times 2 1/2. The first step in multiplying mixed numbers is to change them to improper fractions. 1 2/3 becomes 5/3 because 1 times 3 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, and we keep the denominator 3. Times 2 1/2 becomes 5/2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, and we keep the denominator. Now we multiply straight across. 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 2 is 6. And I'm going to take my final answer, and because 25 is bigger, the number on the top is bigger, I will divide. 25 divided by 6 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24, and I have a remainder of 1. So my answer reads 4 1/6. Remember, in fractions, always make sure the 1/6 is reduced to lowest terms, and which this is. Let's try a second problem. Let's take those same two numbers, 1 2/3, but this time divide them. 1 2/3 divided by 2 1/2. The first step is always the same. Change those numbers into improper fractions. 1 2/3 becomes 5/3. 2 1/2 becomes 5/2. But I'm seeing a division sign, so I need to change my division into a multiplication. 5/3 times, and we take the reciprocal or we flip the second fraction, 2/5. Then we multiply straight across. 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. And I need to make sure that my fraction has nothing in common. Is there any number that both 10 and 15 can be divided by? Well, I see I can divide both 10 and 15 by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and my final answer is 2/3.